Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and we're going to talk a little bit about Cortana in Windows 10. So a lot of people have been asking about Cortana in the past couple of months, and now a little more in the past 24 hours because there's a beta app in Windows Insider Preview 18.922. And of course, people are saying, well, that means Cortana isn't dead. Well, Cortana is not dead. Cortana is right now, what it seems to be is that Cortana is being repositioned. They're wondering what to do with Cortana. The idea behind Cortana, there's still no idea of, anything showing that Cortana will be removed or anything. Cortana is something that's still there and being worked on. And the insider preview that we had yesterday, Wednesday, 18922, shows that they're trying to reconfigure and redesign and see where they can actually send Cortana and how it could be useful. What we know is they pretty much abandoned pushing Cortana as being the assistant that you need to use in Windows. They are instead looking at how Cortana can be useful and being kind of an assistant to help you out through your PC. A little bit like Clippy. Part of it, when you hear the ideas behind what you want to do, it's kind of like Clippy, wondering, well, oh, you want to, what do you want to do exactly? Have Cortana help you out in certain situations. So it's still here, and there's no, they're not removing Cortana or anything. They're kind of repositioning it and wondering what they will do with it. It's obvious that Cortana has not been the success story, like a lot of things that Microsoft does. So, Microsoft Edge, kind of a failure here. Cortana is kind of a failure at the same time because it hasn't been, hasn't worked out like they thought. Even I used Cortana, and now I don't. It was kind of fun at the beginning. It's kind of, oh, okay. But you know what? I do use Google Assistant, but the reason why is because I got a Google Home Mini that I like and that I use a lot. But if you remove that, even without a home device, like the Google Home, there's no real need to use a assistant on a PC or a tablet. Even on my phone, I don't use it. So it's interesting because without devices, you're not using it. So Cortana, of course, Cortana had that Armin Kardon speaker. Nothing much more. If it had many other devices, maybe it would have picked up a little more. But still, people tend to use different things, and most people use, if they do use something, they use a Google Assistant or the Amazon Echo, which is the two devices that really are popular. But remove that, and the rest of the assistants, even on the Mac side, I mean, Siri is not very popular in general. So Cortana is still being worked on. That's pretty much what we know, and they're trying to find a way to position it in your PC that it can help you out basically in your daily tasks if you want. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.